Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we almost finished our class, finished our book, GK book, and today I have taken one topic for revision, that is changing season. Now children, why I have taken this topic today? You all are aware that right now also a season is getting changed because Dashehra is a festival which symbolizes a changing of season also. Means from rainy season to getting into our winter season, that kind of a weather we have. So I've taken this. First of all, what is seasons? Seasons means that changing climatic condition is called seasons. For your knowledge, what is the difference or a changing climatic condition means? Climatic means what kind of a weather we have, what kind of a sunlight we have, what kind of a, almost all the features we can take it in that. So that is your changing seasons. Fine. And in India is a country in which we have certain kind of a different kind of a seasons which were changing again and again. It was changing. Like we have first we have in the beginning of the year, January, we have winter season, and then we have spring season, new flowers will came, and then after that we have summer season, then rainy season, then autumn season, and then here again from autumn season we are entering into winter season. So we have 5 seasons and these were changing, different climatic conditions were there. कभी बारिश ज़्यादा होती है, temperature down है, या कभी temperature it's quite up. So all these changes were there. According to that, we were wearing clothes. We have different things or the different activities we were doing. Like in summers, days are quite longer. So we were spending the time while sleeping also and all these. So different things were there, children. So that you can see in your book also that we have different kinds of pictures which is given in your book. See, I'll show you few of the pictures here of changing seasons. You can see the children were doing different activities during the different seasons. So here if I'll take one example, let's say when you are coming to school, आप जब school आते थे, so in the summers you were coming early in the morning. Up morning में 7 o'clock was your timing, but in the winters your timing has been changed. Why all these change was there? ये change क्यों होता है? So this change is exactly what कि आपके activities also will be changed. Like in summers we were sleeping less at night and in day also we were sleeping, but in winters we have a small day, so that whole day will be spent in the work. We were not slept at in the day and nights are quite longer. शाम को आप देखोगे, now if you will observe, आप क्या देखोगे कि शाम को अभी बोलते हैं ना मम्मी बहुत जल्दी अंधेरा हो जा रहा है. अंधेरा क्यों हो जा रहा है? Because now the days are getting shorter. धीरे धीरे डे छोटे हो जाएंगे and your night will be longer. Evening से 6 PM से your night will be there until the next morning. तो 11 hours अंधेरा रहता है. So why it is there? Why that sleeping time will be there? Actually the people, those who are living in village area, everywhere they do not have that light resources. सबके पास बिजली नहीं है, सबके पास बल्ब नहीं है, लाइट नहीं है. So what they were doing, they were utilizing their time while sleeping, कि वो सो जाते हैं and then next day they were wake up at early, जल्दी उठ के, and then they are finishing up all their work. So that is changing of seasons. Now children, if I talk about different activities, ये तो हो गया जो those who were living in village area. So they were have that such kind of activity कि उनको agriculture work करना है खेतों में काम करना है, दे रिक्वायर्ड अ प्रॉपर स्लीप, तो वो जल्दी सो जाते हैं. एंड दे वोक अप एट early in the morning and then they were doing all their job. So now look at the picture below. What is given in your book, an exercise. Now here I'll talk about the different activities which we were doing in winters and few of the activities which you were doing in the summers. All these activities we will talk about. Now look at the pictures below. In which season, summer, winter or rainy, do we usually do these activities? See children, I talk about autumn and spring season also. So now spring season, when new flowers will blow and new leaves will grow, that is your spring season, which is basically comes at the time of Holi. होली का जब आपका फेस्टिवल होता है, at that time we will be having our spring season. तो अभी क्या है, sit around the bonfire. This is your first activity, sit around a bonfire. So at what time you were sitting around a bonfire? Bonfire क्या होती है, जब ऐसे होता है लकड़ियाँ ऐसे बीच में रख करके, and we were ऐसे लकड़ियों को such arrange in such a kind of a way, and then they were blowing it. So that is called bonfire. Bonfire ऐसे होता है ना रात में ऐसे. Normally you might have seen, अभी तो आपको village area में ही bonfire होता था, but अभी आपको you will be getting this bonfire in other cities also. Bonfire के पास आप कब बैठते हैं? At what time you were sitting? In winter season. In winter season. गर्मी में देखा है आपने किसी को आग जला करके, and then they were sitting near that bonfire. What other activities we were doing? Sitting around the bonfire, that we were doing. यहाँ पे bonfire जलाते हैं, and then the people were sitting here. The people were sitting nearby this bonfire. The people were sitting. Fine. Actually this bonfire, if I talk about this bonfire का ये concept कहाँ से आया था? That concept came from that village area only. गांव में क्या होता है कि they have that enough space, काफी space होता है, and they will be getting agriculture purpose से आते हैं या agriculture field से आते हैं, they will getting that sufficient amount of wooden storage also. And they were blowing that, वो लकड़ियों को जला लेते हैं, and then they were sitting nearby and they were enjoying that a bonfire. So that is your changing season, and the people, those who were living in village area, they were enjoy this changing of season. तो वो bonfire जला करके, and then they were dancing also. Bonfire में आपने देखा होगा कि one festival is also related to this. लोहड़ी का जो festival होता है, that is actually what कि वो वहाँ पे they were celebrating that winters. वो पंजाब का जो area है there, they were celebrating that. So अभी तो आपको शहर में भी you will be getting it, कि शहर में भी आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा. They were blowing that bonfire, and the people अपना आसपास के लोग हैं, they were sitting near the bonfire. So now what is bonfire? That is, bonfire is winter. In which season will do this? In winter seasons will do this. Fine. In which seasons will do this? In winter season. Now next is again go skiing. Skiing कब करते हैं? बर्फ पे करते हैं. बर्फ कब होती है? Again in the winter season. So second activity also we were doing in winter season. Winter season only. Now, here I'll ask one question. Can we do skiing in our surroundings? हम अपने घर के आसपास कर सकते हैं? No. For doing skiing, we required snow. जहाँ पे snowfall होता है, wherever we have snowfall and that बर्फ है, there only we can do skiing. Skiing के लिए अभी तो if you will go in area in which we have snowfall, शिमला वगैरह अगर आप जाओगे, यू विल फाइंड इट आउट ओवर देयर कि वहाँ पे तो भी दे हैव दैट स्कीइंग, दे एंजॉय स्विमिंग एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स वर ओवर देयर। और वो स्कीइंग कराने के लिए दे हैव दैट पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ ए क्लब होता है, वहाँ पे लोग जाते हैं, दे वर बाइंग ऑल द सेट एंड पता है आपके नॉर्मल शूज पहन के तो यू कैन नॉट वॉक इन द स्नो, तो दे वर प्रोवाइडिंग विद यू गम बूट, बड़े बड़े बूट होते हैं, स्कीइंग करने का पूरा सेट होता है, दैट विल बी गिवन, 2 स्टिक्स होती है एंड देन स्लेज इज देयर इन योर फुट, एवरीथिंग विल बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय दैट क्लब। ऐसे क्लब एंड द टूरिस्ट डिपार्टमेंट वर देयर, डिफरेंट वो उन्होंने अपनी एक्टिविटी करने का दे हैव मेड इट। नाउ थर्ड इज व्हाट, एंजॉय अ स्विम। नाउ थर्ड एक्टिविटी व्हेन वी वर डूइंग दिस एंजॉय अ स्विम, we were doing this activity in summer season. In summer season, in which season we're doing this swimming? Can you do swimming in winter season? No. अरे नहाने का मन नहीं करता है, ठंड लगती है, how you can do swimming? तो हम स्विमिंग पूल में when we are enjoying at the time of summer, गर्मियों में बहुत गर्मी होती है, so to reduce our body temperature we are going for swimming and all these activities. So that is your third one, that enjoy a swim, that is your summer season, we enjoy swimming in summer season. Number 4, wear raincoats and use umbrella. When do we wear raincoat? In summer season or in winter season? No, in rainy season we will wear, in rainy season we wear raincoat and carry or use umbrellas, fine, to protect us from rain. And whatever we were carrying with our luggage, that will not be get wet, so we were using this raincoat and umbrellas. Now number 5 is what, get wet in the rain and splash water. So when you will get wet in the rain, obviously in rainy season when rain is there, you will be getting wet in that. So here number 5 is your rainy season, rainy season again. Number 6, now eat an ice cream when you are eating. Nowadays you can find the children, those who are eating ice cream in any season, but that is not there. Normally we were eating ice cream in summer season. आप winter season में खाएंगे तो क्या होगा, आपका गला खराब हो जाएगा, just because of changing climate, already the temperature is quite low, उसमें आप आइसक्रीम भी खाओगे फिर आप बीमार पड़ जाते हो. So eat an ice cream, that you will do it in summer season. That is your summer season activity. Now I know that few of you will tell me, no ma'am, मैं तो winter में भी खाता हुआ आइसक्रीम, but that is not correct. Why? Because in winter season if you will eat ice cream, due to that you will be having fever and other. Changing season is a topic. Changing क्योंकि ये season change हो रहे हैं. According to season, we were changing our activities also. So that is very important. Now I am going to talk about animals also. These are the few activities which were done by human being. Now I am going to talk about some of the animals which move from one place to other place because the weather is too hot, too cold, too wet or too dry during certain times of the year. Fine. So many of the birds, or mainly the birds, they were moving from one place to another place. Here I can take example of animal also. In that penguin is also there. Penguin is also moving from north region to that particular area where they will be getting that such kind of a cold weather. So they were moving in that particular area. So during winters, many birds and animals move to the region with warmer climates. Fine? Because they won't be able to survive in that particular kind of a weather. So they were moving to the such kind of a areas where they will get that particular kind of a weather where they can live. Now few of the animals, they were shifting from one place to another place, and few of the animals, what they were doing, they were storing thick skin or thick fat inside their body, so that fat will keep them warm, and they can live easily for 3-4 months of winters. For this, I'll take example of bear. Fine, bear, they hibernate. Now, what do you mean by hibernate? Hibernate or hibernation? Hibernation is a process in which they will go for a long sleep. If you have to remember what is hibernation, remember with this long sleep. Bear, मतलब जो भालू होता है वो क्या करता है? भालू is going to eat, keep on eating and storing such kind of a fat inside their body, so that when winters will be there, so till that time they can survive easily, and they sleep in their caves and do not come out for many months, and this process is called hibernation. अभी क्या होगा कि you will ask from me that only भालू or that bear is doing hibernation? No. जो खरगोश होते हैं, rabbits were also hibernate. वो अपने burrows के अंदर जो उनका घर होता है, that is called burrow. burrow के अंदर घुस जाते हैं, and they were also hibernate. Their skin, उसके अंदर भी they were having a thick layer of fat which provide energy to them. अब thick layer of fat मतलब क्या होता है कि जब वो खाना खाते हैं, then they were overeating, बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खाते हैं, so that overeating of them, that will help them to restore fat inside their body. तो जितना तो body को requirement होती है, that was used by the body, but the overeating के बाद जितना जो second वाला और जो बचता है, that will be stored by the body under the skin. So that is hibernation. So that is done by many birds also, and basically that was hibernation is done. Migration was done by many birds. आपने सुना होगा, and you have seen also Siberian crane. They were also flying to the warmer region. वो जहाँ पे गर्मी होती है वहाँ पे ही जाती हैं, and they were surviving over there. जहाँ ठंड हो जाती है वहाँ पे वो नहीं रह पाती हैं. So they were also moving to that region. So that is changing season. This topic, that is page number 18, that is your changing season. After that we are going to do our next page, page number 19, on the move. So I hope how do the season change, and along with the season how your activities will be changed. That is clear to everyone. Now I am going to move to our next topic. Now I will move to our next topic. What is the next topic that we will see now? Now here, on the move, that is your page number 19, on the move, on the move, that we are going to do. On the move means different means of transport, and where we will get it, which help to move from one place to another place safely within that particular time duration and all this. Now read the description. On the move, in this we are going to talk about like if we have train, and if we do not have railway stations or we do not have railway track, So where do all these trains will move? हम घर में तो चलाएंगे नहीं, और they were not moving on that on roads. So these railway track provide them a proper means of transport. Now read the description and fill in the blank to name the places shown. Number 1, an underground passage built under a hill or a river. An underground passage built under a hill or a river. Means underground passage means just like that कि जो रैबिट्स हैं वो अपनी बरो बनाती है, हम भी क्या है ह्यूमन बीइंग्स क्या करने लगे. वी हैव हिल, हिमालयाज, माउंटेन है, बहुत सारी प्लेस है, एंड वी वोंट बी एबल टू गेट इनटू इट. तो हमने क्या बना लिया, उसके अंदर से हिमालय के बीच में से एंड या फिर हिल के बीच में से बाय क्रशिंग दैट स्टोन्स वी हैव मेड दैट पैसेज. पैसेज मतलब जगह बना लिया, या रिवर के बीच में भी हमने एक ऐसे जगह बना दिया बाय पुटिंग दैट स्पेस बिटवीन. स्पेस कैसे बनाया रिवर के बीच में, बड़े बड़े टनल्स को डाल के. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टनल. ये पैसेज जो है, दैट पैसेज वाज क्रिएटेड बाय टनल. अभी ये टनल जो है, दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी इन योर बुक. ये देखो, आई विल शो यू दिस टनल का. ये देखो पिक्चर, ये कैसा है, ऐसा राउंड राउंड करके है ना, ऐसे अंदर करके. सो दैट इज योर टनल. फाइन, ऐसे राउंड. मोस्टली जो मेट्रो ट्रेन्स वगैरह जो होती है दैट इज मेड इनसाइड द टनल, या ऊपर से ऐसे करके बनाया जाता है. सो दैट इज देयर. नाउ नंबर 2, a place where aeroplanes land and take off from. Abhi what is that? That is airport. That only I was talking about. अगर हमारे पास ये एयरपोर्ट नहीं हो या हमारे पास रेलवे स्टेशन नहीं हो, तो where do they lie? और कहाँ पे हम मिलेंगे, कहाँ they will be standing. हम अपने घर में कोई एरोप्लेन से आया, ओके ठीक है, चलो एरोप्लेन को बोला ओके फाइन, आप मेरे घर के पास आने चलो. तो दैट एरोप्लेन कैन नॉट लैंड एवरीवेयर ना. कहाँ आपकी कॉलोनी के बीच में छोटी सी जगह है, वहां पे खड़ा कैसे होएगा? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड अ प्रॉपर प्लेस टू स्टैंड ओवर देयर. चाहे एरोप्लेन है या ट्रेन है या वॉट एवर इज देयर. नाउ नंबर 3, अ रोड बिल्ट अक्रॉस अ रिवर. अब नदी के ऊपर अगर रोड बनानी है, दैट यू ऑल हैव सीन. सबने देखिए नदी के ऊपर रोड कैसी बनती है. दैट इज योर, यस, दैट इज योर ब्रिज. नदी के ऊपर जब हम रिवर बनाते हैं, दैट इज योर ब्रिज. ब्रिज की बात कर रही हूं मैं. नदी के ऊपर जो रिवर बनाते हैं, दैट इज रोड बनाते हैं नदी के ऊपर, दैट इज योर ब्रिज. ब्रिज तो मोर ऑफन यू हैव सीन. वरुणा पुल, आपने वरुणा ब्रिज देखा होगा. यू हैव सीन रामनगर ब्रिज ऑल्सो, दैट वॉज मेड ओवर द गंगा रिवर. नीचे से सपोर्ट देके एंड देन दे विल मेक ऑल दोज ब्रिज. सो ब्रिजेस आर क्वाइट कॉमन. आपने ब्रिजेस बहुत बार देखा होगा. माइट भी इसमें से, अभी ये 3 में से आपने एयरपोर्ट भी देखा है, ब्रिज भी देखा है. टनल माइट भी, जो हिली एरिया में नहीं गए होंगे कभी, they have not seen that tunnel, but rest of the 2 things like airport और bridge, that is quite common. ये आपने देखा है. एयरपोर्ट भी है वाराणसी में, भी have airport also and bridge also. Bridges तो बहुत सारे हैं. Varuna Pul is also there. Lot many bridges were there. Now a road that goes over another road. A road which goes over another road means down also we have road and just below over that. Over that road we have, that is called flyover. That is flyover. ऊपर से जा रही है तो fly कर रही है, it means that is your flyover. Flyover. Now we'll come to next, a place where ships are loaded and unloaded. So what are these places? That is dockyard. अभी ना द हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड दिस डॉकयार्ड इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आपको पता है कि डॉकयार्ड जो है हमारी कंट्री में, वी डू नॉट हैव डॉकयार्ड. बहुत पहले व्हेन दैट फ्रेंच पीपल, दोज हु केम टू आवर कंट्री for doing that all these business and all. तो they have started creating dockyard. वो अपनी नाव लगाते थे, फिर क्या होता था, नाव उनकी बह जाती. Then they started thinking कि ओके अब हमें कुछ ऐसा क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा कि जहाँ हम अपनी नाव लगा सकते हैं, आराम से लगा दे नाव, और उसके बाद फिर हम नेक्स्ट डे आकर के यहाँ पे या 1-2 दिन बाद 3 दिन बाद हमारी नाव यहाँ पे सेफ हो, एंड देन वी कैन कम एंड वी कैन टेक ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो दैट इज डॉकयार्ड. ये आपका डॉकयार्ड हो गया. तो वहां पे दे रियलाइज, जब फ्रेंच पीपल दोज हु केम फॉर बिजनेस, फिर ब्रिटिश पीपल जो आए एंड अदर कंट्रीज के, अरब कंट्रीज के जो लोग आते थे, दे हैव रियलाइज कि ओके नाउ वी रिक्वायर्ड दिस. तो उन्होंने ये डॉकयार्ड का इन्वेंशन किया एंड देन दे हैव क्रिएटेड दिस डॉकयार्ड. सो दैट डॉकयार्ड यू विल, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड अभी तो डॉकयार्ड तो आपको कहाँ, मतलब इफ यू विल गो नियर इंडियन ओशन तो आपको केरला में डॉकयार्ड मिल जाएगा. केरला में साउदर्न एरिया, साउदर्न इंडियन एरिया में, मुंबई में सबसे बड़ा डॉकयार्ड है. एंड वहाँ पे डॉकयार्ड मुंबई में सबसे बड़ा है. एंड दैट नेवी के भी जो शिप्स होते हैं, दे वर गोइंग फ्रॉम देयर. उसके अलावा वी हैव दिस इन तेलंगाना ऑल्सो, इन आंध्र प्रदेश ऑल्सो, विशाखापट्टनम. In Visakhapatnam we have a huge dockyard. तो ये सारी जगह पे we have dockyard. Now number 6 is that a place where passengers board and get off train. अब मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था we cannot take a train at home. हम ट्रेन घर तो ले जा नहीं सकते. So we are going to make the train stand somewhere ना. तो कहाँ स्टैंड कराते हैं हम ट्रेन को? We'll make them stand on railway stations. कहाँ पे खड़ी होती है ट्रेन हमारी? रेलवे स्टेशन. सो नाउ 7th इज नॉट देयर, रेलवे स्टेशन. तो रेलवे स्टेशन पे वी हैव डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. कहीं पे कम होते हैं, कहीं पे ज़्यादा होते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म. कभी कोई स्मॉल स्टेशन होता है तो वहाँ पे वी हैव 2, 3, 4 प्लेटफॉर्म ओनली. कोई बड़ा स्टेशन होता है तो वहाँ पे वी हैव 4, 5 और 6, 7. Instead, up to 10, 12 platform also will be there. More than that also. तो platform क्या है? That is according to what is the strength of the train which was supposed to come to that station. तो उतने आपको platform बनाने के, and they were standing, उनको खड़े होने के लिए जगह चाहिए. Now tidbits which is given on the move. See, if I talk about on the move, तो इधर introduction of wheel is very important. आपको पता है पहले जो ओल्ड पीपल थे, दे डू नॉट हैव व्हील. तो पहले व्हील का इन्वेंशन हुआ, डिस्कवरी ऑफ व्हील हुआ. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव इन्वेंटेड मेनी मोर थिंग्स. तो इसमें ही वन इम्पॉर्टेंट नेम विच इज गिवन इन योर बुक, ये वाला, दिस वन, tidbits. इसको मार्क करेंगे एंड यू विल लर्न इट ऑल्सो. व्हाट इज दैट? आई रीड आउट फॉर यू ऑल. कार्ल बेंज built the first car 3-wheeled in 1885. Carl Benz. Benz is a huge name in the industry of car. And Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright, also known as Wright brothers, they have built and flew the first aeroplane in the year 1905. So what is there? Benz have built the first car in 1885. This is very important. And the next is aeroplane they have built in 1905. That is also very, very important. So that you all will do. And today we have done 2 chapters. First 2 pages, although page number 18 and 19 in your revision. That is changing season and on the move. Both the pages you will revise, you will learn, and we are going to do revision of both the pages in our online class. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. What we have learned today, that also you have enjoyed. So children, I am going to discuss all these pages in our online class, and at that time you can share your thought, your doubts with me. I hope you understood what I have taught in this class, in this video. So now I am going to finish our class. revise these page number 18 and 19. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day.